Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be answering the question, can we apply for PAN card online? And the answer is yes, you can apply for permanent account number PAN card online through the Income Tax Department's website. What you need to do is visit the NSDL website, that is National Securities Depository Limited website, which is authorized by the Income Tax Department to issue PAN cards. Complete the online application form with your personal and address details. Upload scanned photos of required documents such as proof of identity, address, and date of birth. Pay the application fee online using a credit or debit card or net banking. The required documents are proof of identity, like your Aadhaar card, passport, voter's ID, or driver's license. Proof of address, like the Aadhaar card, passport, voter's ID, or utility bills. Proof of date of birth, that's your birth certificate, passport, or school leaving certificate. The benefits of applying online are convenience, faster processing, and you can track the status of your application online. Also, reduce paperwork and minimizes errors. So the best course of action is to check the requirements before applying online, follow the instructions carefully on the NSDL website to avoid errors or delays, and track the status of your application online to ensure it's being processed correctly. If you're eligible and have the required documents, applying for a PAN card online can be a convenient and efficient option. Hope you find this video helpful.